Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial, and we are going to explore something super important today that will take your chatbot to the next level. So in this video, I'll show you how to use user input flow feature to collect and save your subscribers' data for creating customized bots for specific subscribers. So before diving into the details, I'm just going to take a minute to talk about it, like why do you actually need it and how does it come handy. So imagine you have a chatbot and you want it to chat with your subscribers in a personalized way and remember their preferences and offer them exactly what they need, whether it's discounts, coupons, updates, or just some friendly chat. And that's where the user input flow actually comes into play. It's like giving your chatbot a superpower to remember your subscribers' preferences and respond them in a better way. So in this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step process and show you exactly how to use user input flow feature to collect your users' data, and by the end of the tutorial, you should be able to create your own chatbot that connects your audience on a whole new level. Okay, so let's get started. Navigate to Bot Manager, then click Create into the visual drag and drop flow builder. By double-clicking the Start Bot flow, I will add the trigger words like hello, hi, or start. And I must add a title. Since I assume this to be a pet shop, I'll name it as a pet bot. Don't forget to save your settings. I'll add a welcome text from the text button. I'll write hello pet lovers and welcome to mini pet shop and save it. Well, from this option you can organize your chatbot's interface. Now I'll use an interactive. Well, I'll be using a lot of interactives in this tutorial because I'm going to take input from the user, and by interactive I'll be able to give buttons so they'll get options, and finally I'll get them to option to buy their products. That's why I'll be using a lot of interactives. So we have three options here: a header, a message body, a footer. The header and footer option is not mandatory to be fulfilled, but anyway, I'll show you how to add it. I'll just proceed with writing the message body first. All right, we have a fantastic selection of pet products. Choose any of the options below to get started. Since this is about a product, I'll just write product preview in the header option. It's not mandatory to add, but it can if you want. I'll save it, organize it. I'll provide with buttons. Well, here I'd like to say you can add 3 buttons to your interaction maximum, and you can delete them by clicking on the right button of your mouse. I'll add the button name. I'll give the option like see all products at first. Well, selecting send message enables it to send messages and continue the bot flow. I'll add another option by now and send message. I'll organize it. We can use images on the interactives as well. I'll add an image that looks like a welcome image too. Well, it looks better now. However, I'll handle the see all products button. Suppose the user clicked the see all button, and I'll again use interactive. Double click it. So this response will be charged by your chatbot if you set interactive after see all products button. So I'll write here are some of our featured pet products. Choose your preference and save it. I'll again provide with 2 options. I'll just write it as a cat bait, better, and dog collar. Send message. Let's handle the cat bait button. Suppose the user clicked cat bait. Now we will ask them what kind of cat bait do they really want. So I'll write wonderful. What kind of cat bait would you like to buy, and save it. I'll again provide with 2 buttons. I'll give 2 options, cat case and window purge. Organize it. I'll handle the cat cake button. Again, interactive. I'll write great choice. What size would you like to order? I'll again provide with 2 options. I'll write medium and large. I'll give 2 options. Organize it. I'll handle the medium button. Suppose the subscriber clicked on medium, so what response I'll want to give? Well, in this point, I'll use user input flow button. Now, from this point, now since the user has given all their order preferences, like what they want, what size they want, now at this point, I will start taking their information by enabling user input flow button. From now on, whatever question I will ask, all the informations will be saved to subscribers' data. So let's see how does it works. In user input flow, you have to give a campaign name, like it reflects the purpose. Here, since I am collecting order information, I'll just write it in the campaign name. My campaign name is order collection. My first question is, well, you have 2 options to add, free keyboard input and multiple choice. I'll just go with free keyboard input. Alright, nice. Let's get the process started. To personalize your order, may we know your pet's name? Well, in this point, I will show you how to use the custom field as well. You better know, or the people doing businesses know that under their business niche, what kind of custom field they might need. So here, this is a paid shop, and the custom field paid name can be an important custom field. So under this business, under this niche, particular niche, the custom field paid name is important one. So I'll just add a new custom field named paid name. So you can select the text type, reply type. I'll just add a new custom field paid name and save it. And I'll select it in the custom field, so it will be saved in the custom field when the user provides the page name. Again, I'll ask another question. And one of the interesting facts of custom fields are you can use the custom field information to talk to your subscribers in the later questions. Just like from here, the information the buyer will provide, you can use the name. I'll show you how. Here I'll write thank you. Say hello to the furry friend. Here I'll use the custom field such as the pet's name, so the bot will reply in a personalized manner and take the pet's name here. And you can use the hashtag wherever you want to in the whole text. Now I'll collect the user's contact number, and I'll write what's the best contact number to reach you regarding your order. I'll set the reply type to number, since the phone numbers are always given by number. I'll add another question and take another information. Now I'll take the buyer's address. To ensure a smooth delivery, please provide your delivery address. And I'll choose a system field that is location. So the information will be saved in the system field in the location section. Since I have the buyer's number, his paid name, and his location, I'll send a thank you message. Alright, thanks for providing your product choices and order information. Let's make it a little bit of fun. Alright, we will process your order and make sure your pay is wagging their tail in no time and save the changes. Organize it, and now we will check the other buttons that we left unattended. We must reply with something, otherwise the bot will not save, because whenever you're providing with the choice to the customers, you must reply with something. So I'll just give a random reply because this is not our focus. We're focusing on taking information and using the user input flow button. So I'll just fill this field with a random text so the bot saves, because we cannot leave the buttons unattended without adding any text at all. So I'm just adding random messages to the other options that I used while creating this bot. Save it. We'll check if we have any other buttons left unattended. Save it. There's one more button, and we will add another random reply. And right, thank you. One of our human agents will get in touch with you regarding your order or purchase soon. Save it. All done. Well, we can use another photo here in this interactive button. It's never a bad idea to add photos in your interactives or in your pod. It looks more attractive when you add more photos. Well, my bot is done. I'll just now save it. As you can see, the notification it has saved successfully. My own WhatsApp account. From where I'll just text to the bot that I just created and see if it's working perfect. I'll text with start. Yes, I got the response. I'll click see all products. Cat bait. I'll give cat cave. Medium. So it started to take my information. I'll just write my cat's name. Surprisingly, I have a cat too. Well, now I'll just give my number, that any random number. Now I'll just give a random address. Well, I'd like to say this is from the user's end who is talking with the chatbot. This is my own personal account, and I'm texting the chatbot that I just made to check if it's really working, and if it's not working, so I can work on that, but I can see that it's working perfectly.